Hi guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we're going to try to go up to Angeles City and inquire about some parts that I ordered about, I would say about 5 weeks ago for my motorcycle. My clutch wire broke, and shortly thereafter my speedometer wire broke, so I gotta go and check and find out if I can get some today. Alright, so come on for the ride. Here we're coming up, this is I call it the roundabout between Balibago and Andoer, and today is Friday afternoon. The traffic is kind of heavy, but we're gonna try to get up there and see what we can get. All right, coming into Balibago here, and driving through Balibago. Many of you have probably seen this before, but we're just giving you a little motor vlog today, so we can get some content out there for you guys. Alright, so we're coming up on the Abacan River, and I believe the name of the bridge is actually Abacan Bridge as well. You can see the traffic is pretty intense today. Very common. I say that lately I've seen an increase in traffic. I was in the United States 4 or 5 months last year, and when I got back, I could definitely feel that the traffic had increased a lot. And nowadays we try to pick our times, but today I had to get out, and we're trying to avoid the rain, so we're running in between rain here. Anyway, I got my bike from Motor Trade. I think it was in July of 2017, and a few months back, a couple of months back, my clutch wire broke, and in the middle of traffic actually, and I think I made a video out of that, and I'll put that up here so you can see it. And shortly after, my speedometer wire broke, so today I don't have a speedometer. Alright, we're coming up here. Motor Trade is on the left. This is almost downtown in Angeles City, so we're going to go in here and see what they got for us. Hopefully they have got my parts, and hopefully it won't take another 5-6 weeks to get it. Alright guys, we just took a quick ride up here to Motor Trade. This is where I got my bike. Actually not the dealership I got it, but Motor Trade is where I got my bike. But this is where they service it, and just had a service made, and they tightened up the chain. Tightened it not enough. It was quite loose, so I had them redo it today a little bit. So, and that's good. Otherwise, we're up here in Angeles City. We're gonna go down to the market a little bit. Motor Trade. So we are going to go down to the market a little bit and then do a little bit of shopping, I think, or at least walk around. They're just going to tighten. They're just going to tighten up the chain a little bit. All right, guys, we were just notified that there's a little different problem with the bike. Nothing critical, but it needs to be replaced eventually. So we got to run down to another parts store, motorcycle shop, and see if they have the part. If they do not have it in stock here, and that's kind of a little aggravating actually, but you know, again, that's part of the Philippines. So we're gonna run down there and see what's going on, and hopefully they have that part. If they don't, we have to come back here and order it, I guess. So come on and take the ride with us.
So now we're going to find the rubber dumper.
Rubber dumper.
Yeah, rubber dumper.
Yeah, so the market blog turns into a hunt for parts for the bike. So we'll see if they have them. Where is South Star here?
Street. Yeah, that one is LC.
Alright.
I saw the LC sign. So we can ask there if there is a rubber dumper. Rubber dumper, right? But we need to find the...
Over there.
Yeah. So this is the LC motorcycle. Oh, Honda. That one's Honda.
Oh, he needs to get out. Hold this. Kawasaki Avenger 70. Anyway, let's see if they have it. It'd be interesting to see if they have the parts. What's wrong with the bike is we need a what's called a rubber dumper. It's like some rubber things that goes in the rear wheel. They didn't have it here. They're gonna check and see if they can order it. They'll say I know by Monday. So let's go back to Motor Trade and see.
Nakabili daw po?
Wala. Wala silang stock.
Okay, so we're gonna check with Motor Trade here and see what they say in the parts. how we can get the parts. But it's no problem driving with it. It's just,
No, I'm asking you if you put your helmet in the box.
it's okay. All right, here, grab it. Can you find out how soon they can get the part here? Good.
So, dala niya ang ma'am. Ay, hindi ko sabihin mo yung ma'am. Bantay ako mga sagit.
What?
Kau daw ang kakausapin ma'am.
Oh, sige, sige.
What? She wants to talk to you.
I cannot speak in English.
You can't speak English?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can. Find out how, when can they send it?
Kailan daw yan start siya?
What's the so,
I cannot commit, sir, because I will order first.
yeah, but they can't, if you order, when you order, they can't tell you if they have it in stock and how many days it takes to get it.
The ordering, sir, is minimum 1 month. Minimum 1 month.
That's crazy. That's
Because they
crazy.
will order it in Manila.
Ma'am, translate nyo na lang po. Yung parts po kasi ni in-order niya, sir, manggagaling pa po sa ibang bansa.
Yeah, the one that the order here,
Yeah.
they will order inside, outside the country. So
Okay.
it takes more time to...
And I understand that. I understand that. But in this case, go ahead. I guess go ahead and order it.
You want to order it now?
Yeah, we might as well order it because it's going to take months to get it.
Then we order now, so we need to wait.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Go ahead and order it.
Order the set.
And brake pads.
Yes.
I think for now we're going to start heading back home. And then we deal with it as it comes. I think Monday I will know if they have parts and when I can get them. But they say I can drive with the bike, so it's all right. Let's go home for now, right?
There's McDo.
Yeah, let's go and have a drink with myself.
Boy. Really? Oh, it's difficult to park.
And we're going to stop at McDonald's and get us a meal. Crazy. All right, so we're sitting down there at McDonald's, taking a quick break. Yeah. They will, they kind of say that they are going to order it for us. And kind of be interesting to see when it arrives.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so it is about time to head back home. conclusion of today is that it is somewhat complicated to get parts for your motorbike. Most dealers here don't keep parts. They have to order them, and that could be a little bit of a problem, especially if you are in need of using the bike. Anyway, we have ordered the parts. Monday I should know if they're coming in or when they're coming in, hopefully. The first parts I ordered that I inquired about today were my clutch wire and my speedometer wire, and that was 5 weeks ago. They were ordered, paid a down payment, and today they can still not tell me when it's going to be here. You know, it's kind of interesting how things are working here in Philippines. So I decided to go ahead and order more than one unit. We know the brakes are going. We know that you know, wires, clutch wires, speedometer wires, that kind of disposable parts are going a little more often. So I ordered a couple of them, so I'm going to keep my own spare parts in case I ever need to do this. Alright guys, we are just about coming home here, and we are going to conclude this little session, and thank you guys for watching. If you like our videos, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. We have reached a level on our channel today where we have, I think we have like 835, 836 or so subscribers, and our next goal is to get to 1,000. So you can help us out if you are interested in our videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, and you will get updates every time we upload new videos and changes or add information to the site. They have some road construction going on here, so we had to drive around a little bit to get to the point. But now we're home, and thank you for watching, and God bless, and subscribe, share, and like. Bye-bye.